People are trying so hard to make AI ads that look real. Most of the time, it ends up just looking cringe. First of all, in a lot of places, real UGC is illegal or becoming illegal. Platforms are moving towards labeling AI content as AI, and using someone's likeness or making claims through a fake likeness is already going to cause you legal problems before it's even a creative problem. But let's just say you get past all of that. Your viewers aren't stupid. The moment that they clock what they're watching isn't real, a lot of people just instantly turn off. Because, funnily enough, we live in a bubble. A lot of people outside of this bubble really hate AI. However, if a concept is good enough, by that I mean it's entertaining, it's funny, it's educational, sometimes they let the AI thing slide. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make AI videos that are so good and so obviously AI that people don't feel bad about watching them. AI video has gone through many stages, even in the past year or so. 2 years ago, AI videos mostly looked like this. They were horrific. The person hardly ever moved in the frame. The mouths were all blurry. It was an absolute trash fire. Whereas now, some of the AI videos that people are making are absolutely incredible. Today, we're mostly going to be focusing on these AI animation style videos. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways to use AI inside your ad account because it lets you do a multitude of things. The first one is be way more direct sales than you could do in a normal video. Because the format is fairly silly, you can get away with being more heavy on sales. And of course, because you're not including real people, you don't need to dance around the legalities that come with using someone's likeness. So where do you actually start with this AI stuff? Well, before you touch any generation tool or image tool, you need to get the fundamentals in place. And one of those main fundamentals is research. You need to make sure that any ad that you create is well researched, whether you're a dropshipper or you are a well-trained brand owner. Researching your customer, what their desires are, what they want, what their problems are, what solutions they've tried before. It's all essential in making a well-converting creative. There's a multitude of ways that you can do it. You can use AI if you want to conduct some deep research. You can scroll through Reddit. I've made so many videos on exactly this process. You can watch them. There'll be links down there or somewhere on the screen. Because the point here is you can make the best AI ad ever, but if it's not well researched, it's gonna fail. And then you'll be left scratching your head saying,
but I spent so many tokens generating this video, why has it not worked?
And it's got nothing to do with the generation, it's just because you haven't spent the time and done the reps to learn about why your customer wants your product. One of my favorite places to start with this is the reviews. It doesn't have to be your reviews, it could be a competitor's, it could be a similar product, but this is a great place to start learning the language, what your customers sound like, what they enjoy about your product. For example, take the black stuff. It's one of the clients that we work with here at Fraggle. If I just head to their product page and I read some of their reviews, I just love this soap. The rough feeling and the scent of tar and pine is just amazing. Highly recommend it. We're learning something there that people actually do love and buy the product because of the rough texture. The smell, pine tar of the soap and deodorant are addicting but not overly present. Again, another great factor there. So many soaps, so many deodorants, you put them on and you feel like everyone can smell you from a million miles away. Sometimes you don't want that. Like, I don't want that. It'll give me a headache. And so the fact is not overly present might be a massive selling point and something that your target customer is actually looking for. So note it down. It's worth bringing up in an ad. Your reviews or your competitors' reviews are the easiest place to spot patterns. And that is what so much of research in D2C is. Spot the patterns and then make ads around them. So for this video, we're going to be using an example of like a natural juice, which is really good for your gut. So one thing I could do here is I could start to look at some competitors. So I've just had a quick research and I've seen this competitor called Hip Hop. They are a gut-friendly soda. So I can go through their Trustpilot here and I can grab some reviews that might inspire me to make one of those into an angle. Here's a great example here actually. I found that buying multi-packs direct from Hip Hop makes it cheaper than shops and other drinks of a similar type. I don't always want to drink alcohol and don't like the usual soft drinks like juices and colas, etc. So I'm really happy I found Hip Hop, as these kombucha drinks are ideal when hanging out with friends and enjoying a cold one at home. This is such a fantastic insight. People are drinking these instead of drinking alcohol. That might be something that maybe inside your ad account you've never tried before. So that is the perfect example there of how you found a research point that can directly turn into an angle. Because your angle could be a Yapper style video where someone is talking about quitting alcohol and so they needed a substitute and they found this, and bonus, it's really good for your gut. But if we're specifically talking about AI here, maybe we can do a video about someone which is trying to give up alcohol. And so they try this. Not only does it help them in social situations, but then also they see their health improving. So when we've combined all that research into a big document, or you've ingested it into AI, the next thing you need to do is start writing those scripts. And then we can turn them into an AI video. So for today, we are going to be using Arcads. That's one of my chosen AI kind of aggregators of choice. It's got all the biggest popular models in there, as well as some other really cool features. So the type of video we're going to be making is one of these like skeleton videos. You've probably seen them on your feed. They're super popular. And this is what I mean by using AI to achieve things that aren't possible. And even though it is AI, because it's entertaining, because it's a little bit wild, the user kind of forgives that it's AI. Okay, so all of this actually starts inside Claude. I use this incredible skill that one of my friends made. You can join his school down below. I'll leave a link where he has a ton of these AI resources. And I use this one because it's actually just like guides you into making the ad and gives you everything that you need here. So the skill that I used was called skeleton ads. Okay, I did /skeleton ads, and here's my script. Okay, and I wrote a script. What happens to your body when you start drinking general juice every day? Day one, every meal is a fight. Bread, dairy, coffee. Your gut sounds the alarm at all of it. Week 1, the bloating drops. Week 2, the alarm goes quiet. Week 3, your gut stops reacting and starts absorbing. Nutrients finally gets to where it's going. Week 4, deeper sleep, steadier energy, skin that behaves. It was never your food, it was your gut. Try general juice for yourself and see the change. Really simple script. That is all I gave it. And then it went, okay, cool. I recommend that we do an X-ray style with organs, but then it gives me this image here for me to then pick from. So these are like the main kind of skeleton ones. So for me, it said, let's use this X-ray style here. And then it literally, this is the crazy part, this skill just broke down everything that I needed. And I went through it and I was like, yeah, I'm happy with that. Cool. So this is doing all the hard work for us. And then it's saying, if you're happy with that, let's generate the image prompts, because that is the first step. You might have watched some of my other videos on how to make AI videos. First thing you need to do realistically is generate an image. The reason we do that is because images are much cheaper to generate. We don't go straight into the video because videos are much more token heavy than images. And if you're with Arcads, you actually get a load of image generations with Nano Banana for free. Okay, so the next thing it's done is it said, okay, here is your character Bible. You need to paste this into every prompt. And then it's just left a section there, look, paste the character Bible, and then it's given me the rest of the information. So now let's head over to Arcads. So you can use the Arcads website. You can also use their MCP, which is built inside Claude. But I want to show you this really cool function that I used inside Arcads to kind of organize things a little bit better. And that's this. It looks really confusing, but this is like their workflow feature. Essentially just allows you to kind of organize things with different parts linking to other parts, just so you can stay organized. So you can see the first thing I did here, right, was this character kind of pose. Okay, so I put the character prompt in here and it gave me this. This is the output, and this is what we're going to use to make the character consistent throughout all the other videos. So that was essentially this hero reference. So I put in the character Bible and then I put in this, and then that's what we got. I used Nano Banana for that. It was super easy. I think I generated this a couple of times maybe. Yeah, there's a couple in here which didn't go to plan, but then finally I got this one that I was happy with, which we then used throughout the video. Unfortunately, it does take a little bit of time, but I'll show you what to do step by step. So we are literally going through every single image here. So you can see there are 13 images. Essentially, we're generating a start frame for each video. And it is so easy to do inside Arcad. You can see I've got these prompt sections here, which I just drag in. And then I have linked here. Look, so this is my image generation node here. And you can see we use a Nano Banana Pro 9x16. And literally all we're doing here, look, so we're linking the reference image as a reference to this node here. And then we're putting in our prompt and linking that to the prompt section. It takes all that information and it spits out this. So this is our start frame. Happy days, done. And I literally, all I did was I just clicked the buttons, I duplicated it, kept the character section, and then just changed this end bit here. Again, linked our reference image down here so that the characters are the same. And then it gave us this as a start frame as well. And I just repeated that over and over again. It probably took me like 5 minutes or so. But remember, once you have this set up, realistically, you can just kind of duplicate this like as you want. This is an incredibly powerful feature inside our Arcads that I love to use when I'm working on a bigger project. So instead of having a million files everywhere, you just have one. The Ad Creative course is finally live. If you've been watching this channel for a while, then you've seen me break down ads, show you how I script ad creative, going into the full creative strategy behind some of the best ads on Meta. But YouTube only shows a small snapshot. But what I've never been able to do is break down the actual systems in detail that we use here at Fraggle, including the frameworks, the templates, the prompts, the internal workflows that we use every single day. And that is exactly what the Ad Creative course is. We go far beyond what you have seen on this channel. You'll see the exact way that we research new markets, how we mine customer reviews and social media to find relevant insights. We break down the scripting formats that actually work. I break them down line by line to show you the psychology that actually goes into winning scripts. You even have a look at the production side, what microphones you should be using, how to piece together a good VSL, what cameras you should be using. And you'll also see me edit ads live. You'll see me break down some winning creative inside Adobe Premiere. And there's a complete module on AI, how we use it, what prompts we use, at what stage do we use it. I break down everything. This is the exact system that we've used to make ads that have over 450 million in tracked ad spend for over 200 D2C brands. And our clients on average see a 30% reduction in their CPA. So if you want access to this course, then you need to enroll today. I've put a link down in the description for you, and I'm super excited to have you on board. So once I've done that, I tell my Claude, I say, okay, let's do videos now. And then what it does, it goes away, it generates it, has a look at everything it needs, and then it gives me all the prompts for each frame. So here's the VO line that we're going to put over this. We're going to use the still image 2. The length is going to be 4 seconds. It's going to do it in Kling. And then this is all we're going to use for the video prompt. And then in here, look, we're doing the same thing. We're taking this Nano Banana here. We're grabbing a video node from down here, just like that. And we're clicking on the 3 dots, and then we're going to settings here, and we're changing it to Kling 3.0 aspect ratio, and then we're putting in that duration that Claude told us to use. The start frame is this Nano Banana that we just drag in here. The prompt here, look, that's all we've got, and then this is what the end result was. Perfect. That's exactly what we need. Bingo. And then we just repeat that process. Right, bit of a crazy one. The next one. You see what we're doing? All we're doing is we're just animating these start frames. That's all we're doing. Very cool, right? And then we just continue down here. And remember, we can add zooms into this. We're going to have a voiceover that goes over it as well. This is how you make AI ads that are actually engaging, that people actually want to watch. That's pretty much everything that we do inside Claude, because the next step we need to head over to ElevenLabs to generate a voiceover. Obviously, of course, we need to download all these clips as well. Okay, now in ElevenLabs, all we need to do is generate all these lines. So we'll just go one by one. We'll pick a nice voice. I already have this Gideon Pirate. Let's see how this one sounds already.
What happens to your body when you start drinking General Juice every day?
It's actually pretty good already. So let's use this Gideon Pilot voice. So I generate all those lines, and then all I do is then just piece it together inside your chosen editing software. It could be CapCut, Premiere, whatever you want to use. And this is the final result.
What happens to your body when you start drinking General Juice every day? Day 1, every meal is a fight. Bread, dairy. Your gut sounds the alarm at all of it. Week 1, the bloating drops. Week 2, the alarm goes quiet. Week 3, your gut stops reacting and starts absorbing. Nutrients finally get where they're going. Week 4, deeper sleep, steadier energy, skin that behaves. It was never your food, it was your gut. Try General Juice for yourself and see the change.
How good is that, right? It's so impressive what you can do with very little, really, with AI. And then when it comes to testing these, you can make a ton of variations because AI is so flexible. You can make a lot of generations. You can pop them all into an ad set and then just let the meta algorithm decide what your winner is and then scale it. You don't need to overthink this stuff anymore. So to recap, here's how you make incredible AI ads. It all starts by doing proper research. Again, I made so many videos on this that you can watch in your own time. Go deep on your persona. Make sure that you're targeting targeting the right people and you're speaking to them the way they want to be spoke to. Once you've done that, you turn those research parts into angles, and then those angles then can become AI videos. Honestly, I think the best place to look for AI videos is normally Twitter. They're like super on it, the people on there with what's trending. Now you need to generate your videos. You can use Arcads, do your voiceover in ElevenLabs, and then get it all live in your Meta account. It is really that easy. And if you happen to spend over 70,000 on ads and you want someone to just do all of this for you, then you can scan the QR code on the screen and I would love to have a conversation with you. Or of course, there is a link down below as well. We can make everything from podcast ads, UGC ads, AI ads, everything. We can do it all for you. And of course, thank you to Arcads for sponsoring this video. If you do want to try it for yourself, there's a link down below in the description. But thanks very much for joining me on this one. I appreciate you taking the time, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.